Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed down for the fourth time this week, despite a positive opening, reversing down on President Trump's trade tariffs announcement. Now, banks, consumer durables and apparel, transportation, all those sectors, they fell sharply after President Donald Trump tweeted, "We thought we had a deal with China 3 months ago, but sadly, China decided to renegotiate the deal prior to signing." More recently, China agreed to buy agricultural products from the United States in large quantities, but did not do so. So the U.S. will start on September 1st, putting a small additional tariff of 10% on the remaining $300 billion of goods and products coming in from China. All of this as 72% of SP 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Motorola Solutions unveiled second quarter adjusted EPS of $1.46 on sales of $1.86 billion, while Western Union reported second quarter EPS of $1.42, this on revenue of $1.3 billion. Turning overseas, Asian markets plunging today. The Nikkei down 2.11%, the Hang Seng down 2.35%, China CSI 300 down 1.47%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.95%. European markets dropping and futures called for a negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have ExxonMobil, Chevron, Sempra Energy, and Seagate Technology. While on the economic dock at 8:30 in the morning, we have the July government payrolls and the unemployment rate for July, as well as non-farm payrolls. We also have imports, exports, and the balance of trade figures. While 10 o'clock in the morning, we have factory orders and the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Read. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees 2923 expected, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is bearish and calls for further downside. Short positions below 2964 are favored with targets at 2933 and 2923 in extension, while the Nasdaq that moves towards 7,707 and the Dow Jones moves towards 26,275.